At Alamo Collision Center, we know your vehicle is more than just transportation. It's your freedom, your business, and your peace of mind. That's why our certified technicians deliver expert collision repair, frame and structural restoration, hail and dent removal, and precision ADAS calibration to keep your safety features working flawlessly. We back every repair with a lifetime warranty and work directly with your insurance company. For you, not against you. Whether it's a family car, luxury vehicle, or commercial fleet, we guarantee a perfect factory finish with state-of-the-art Enviro-based waterborne paint technology. Simple, transparent, and reliable service. Trusted in San Antonio since 2012. From collision to perfection. That's Alamo Collision Center LLC. Book online for your free estimate today at alamocollisionllc.com or call us direct at 2-103-48-6660.